Hey guys, it's Jack here, Senior Horticulturist at Philbrook. I'm here today to show you a little up-close view of some insects and a flower here that you might see in Philbrook Gardens. Alright, one of the first objects we're going to look at is this iridescent beetle. So if you guys look, it's brightly colored. That iridescent shines off of it due to ribs on the insect skeleton. So zoom in. See, they're quite interesting, quite shiny. Most beetles have wings that come out from underside their back right here, underneath these shiny covers. Alright guys, another thing I'd like to show you up close is this native species of plant we have out by the cabin garden. It's called rattlesnake master. So the way it appears when you see it with your eyes is it appears as one flower. But as if you look on screen here, it's a series of tiny, numerous amounts of flowers. So projects its pollen on the outside, attract all the insects to come in. Again, this is a native species to Oklahoma. You can find it out by the cabin. Here at Philbrook, we have lots of insects. One of the beneficial insects we have that helps us out, that we might see on the grounds, is this praying mantis. You stay. As you guys can see up close, it has eyes out on the side of its head, very wide, very big, so it can catch prey moving. And then it also has these legs that reach out and snatch and grab insects, and those are called raptorial legs. And finally, another insect I'm really excited to show you is quite rare around here. It's called the tobacco hornworm moth. I don't know if you guys have ever seen tomato or tobacco hornworm chewing on your tomato plants, but just like any caterpillar, it will pupate and create either a moth or a new butterfly. And this is the moth it creates. It's quite large. Look at that mouthpiece it has to go in and get nectar out of flowers. Again, large eyes on the outside. It's quite an active insect. Those are just a few of the things that you could see here at Philbrook Garden. We invite you to come visit us and look closer.